Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your profile on Etsy step by step clearly. To reset your profile on Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Public Profiles section. Click on Edit next to your profile information. You will see fields for your name, bio, and profile picture. Decide what information you want to change or remove. To change your name, simply type your new name in the designated field. For your bio, consider updating it to reflect your current interests or business focus. To change your profile picture, click on the Upload button and select a new image from your device. Ensure your new picture meets Etsy's guidelines for profile photos. After making your changes, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to apply your updates. Your profile will now reflect the new information you've entered. To confirm the reset, navigate back to your profile page. Review the changes to ensure everything looks correct. If needed, you can repeat the process to make further adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.